put that in, and then they'll have a 50-foot bridge, steel bridge, that goes to that side, and then that's a big cut block up in there. How big is this one? This is really nice firs up in here.
Okay, we're right in the. There's two separate cut blocks. All in the, so it basically sits like that. So we've just that was that junction of those two spurs right there.
Oh yeah.
So we're just right here.
Right at the intersection.
See where that
the
P,
red.
Yeah, exactly. The red dot that just signifies an emergency point. Like, oh, we have to put emergency coordinates for helicopter evacuation in case if somebody gets hurt. So that's what that red point signifies. If anybody asks, it's nothing other than these coordinates right there.
So one thing that I'm just noticing is where you've got these wetlands here are marked and these wetlands here are marked, and we're supposed to be somewhere in the middle.
Right.
But we're standing in water right now. So where's the dry?
Well, when I was here before. I was here before the beavers were.
Oh,
I mean, it's all wetland.
It's all wetland. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And when these maps get
It's
finally
all
done,
wetland.
I think we can tell that and agree on that, right?
We can agree. I'm pretty wet right now.
Yeah, these are not our final maps at all. When we finish doing all the maps, obviously these just came off of a mapping layer we have that was done off of aerial photography. When we get down to actually getting our final cut blocks map, there's all kinds of information that goes in here around, you know, volumes and distances and.
Right, so this isn't really all that accurate then? No.
Well, the mapping is accurate. It just doesn't show the whole context of the wetland. These are what are shown here are what somebody, you know, 20 years ago could pick off of air photos.
A cynical person could look at this and say, "Oh, the road's going where there's no wetland." If you look at the map, I think that was the point.
Okay, well,
exactly.
Yeah, you could look at it honestly, you could. But I know this isn't the finished map.
Yeah.
Can we see this? Can we see the one with the more accurate polygons?
Oh, on the other side. Yeah. So as we cross the wetland that we're standing in.
Yes, that's not marked as wet on the map. We can agree it's wet.
Okay.
It's not on the map.
Yeah. I'm in water too.
We could sit down and talk about it, couldn't we?
Yeah,
So
I'm not wearing my wet pants.
So again, same place. We're at the same place on the wetland. And the road climbs up the break a little bit, and then there's another spur this way.